Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing for you some red velvet pancake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Stay tuned.
I will tell you which one I love.
So these are the ingredients that we'll use to make the pancake today, and we're about to make some red velvet pancakes from scratch. So guys, we're going to use 2 eggs, we're going to use 1 cup of flour, we're also going to use 2 tablespoons of butter, and this is salted butter, and we have melt the butter. We're going to use some spices and some milk. So firstly, we're going to add the butter to our container, and I'm doing this in a mixing or measuring container rather. You can use a bowl, but I like to make this in the measuring cup. So I'm just ensuring that I get everything from the bowl that I melted the margarine in. Now I'm going to add some milk. You can use whichever milk you want. It's really up to you. This is 1/2 cup of milk that I've just added, and I'm giving that a stir. You have to do it as hard as possible because you know that the butter is oil, so it'll take a longer time for liquid to be incorporated in it. I'm also going to crack 2 eggs. Fun facts, guys, do not crack the eggs in the container. You don't know if the eggs are okay. Well, I was kind of sure that these were good, but still, you will never 100% know. So crack in a different container, then add it to your mixture. So I've just combined everything. Now I'm adding my spices, and this is 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm adding 1/8 of mixed spice, and guys, you can just use the mixed spice. I'm adding cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm also adding some almond. Add enough, and I like spice, and I add a lot of spice, right? I didn't add any salt because the butter was salted butter, but if you use unsalted butter, then you'd need to add a pinch of salt. I'm just ensuring that everything is well incorporated. Now I'm adding the flour. Now you can also substitute the flour with, well, this is cake flour, but you can substitute it with counter flour or all purpose, it depends. Ensure that you mix this thoroughly. You don't want to leave any lumps, so if you're not sure if the flour is 100%, ensure that you sieve, right? And get everything all together. Look at that butter, people, and the milk and the butter in this smells so good. Now I'm going to add the most important but final ingredient, the red velvet, and I'm using the red velvet cake, and this is the Betty Crocker brand, and I'm going to use 3/4 of a cup because this is a 1/2 cup, and I'm using 1/2 of it and half of the half, so 3/4 of a cup. And I'm just combining this. If you realize that your mixture is a little bit too light, ensure that you add a little bit more. You can add either the flour or the red velvet if you want. And look at that, guys, look at that. The color is coming together perfectly. The smell is superb, and I can't wait. Now guys, patience is key. Patience is my most used ingredient in all my recipes. So ensure that you patiently do this. You don't want to have any hair lumps or flour lumps, air bubbles rather, or flour lumps. So what I'm doing now, I'm adding half a tablespoon of butter to the pot, and I just want to melt that. And once I've melted it, I'm then going to add the butter. The butter should be pourable, not watery, but of a thick consistency. And once you pour, it will form a circle, and ensure that your stove is on low heat. You do not need to add that much butter all at once, but because I like the taste, the flavor of it, it's the reason I added that amount of butter. So we're just allowing one of the sides to bake, Good. Look at that, people. Look at that. Now we're going to give it a turn, and if you try to turn it too quick and the top part is not set, it will be runny. So ensure that you give it enough time before you turn it. Okay, and once one side is fully baked, the other side won't take even a minute. Pancakes does not take too long to set. Okay, guys, so in under 3 minutes you can have pancakes. Look at that, guys, look at that. And now we're turning, and voila. So guys, I'm telling you, once you try this, you will thank me. This recipe is everything. Now on to serving. This is my favorite part of every meal, the serving, the garnishing. So I'm going to put this with some fruit, Jamaican apple rather, and I'm just going to use 2 to 3 slices of it just to garnish the plate. But it's also healthy to have your pancakes with fruits, so you can use whichever fruit you like. And I'm adding some maple syrup here to this set of pancake. Look at that. You can also add honey or whichever syrup you like. Over the other side, I'm going to add some chocolate syrup. Look at that, guys, look at that. And to top it off, because I'm an extra, I'm adding some whipped cream. And voila, this looks so professional, right, guys? Comment down below. Professional. Professional. Look at that. I would go out and pay good money to eat this. Tell me now, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? So guys, you can always substitute the red velvet and use whichever cake mix that you have. And if you do not want to add any cake mix, you can just use flour straight through. Here is my son review on it.
First I get to start with the apple. Good. Apple, feel good. Let me try the pancakes first. I think both of them I love. I think I love both. So I just love this one with the syrup mix up. I've got the same one that is in cursive, and I don't know which one I can't love. I will tell you which one I love. Both of them.
Okay, guys, there you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Mommy, let me do it.
Okay.
And subscribe. I'm pressing some button. I'm press the thumbs up button. And press the red button. Yeah, lick it. If you don't want to lick it,
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Do remember to tag us if you try our recipe on IG.